Bullish Kusama cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $120.47 and $262.36 by 2030. Market investigators accept KSM could reach $120.47 by 2025. Bearish Kusama market cost expectation for 2022 is $21.42. Kusama presentation. Polkadot's rendition representing things to come. Kusama is a canary organization for Polkadot. Kusama is a testnet that permits engineers to try different things with new highlights and changes prior to carrying out on Polkadot. Kusama will have every one of similar redesigns as Polkadot, just sooner. This incorporates alterations or augmentations to the codebase, conventions, and administration instruments. Kusama is based on Substrate, a blockchain building unit created by Equality Innovations. Since Kusama has practically the equivalent codebase as Polkadot, it will actually want to encounter any issues that could emerge from new updates before Polkadot does. Along these lines, any potential defects can be distinguished and fixed before they cause significant disturbances on Polkadot. Moreover, in light of the fact that Kusama is administered by similar gathering who govern Polkadot, any redesigns made to Kusama will probably turn out to be made on Polkadot too sooner or later, making it the ideal spot to try out state-of-the-art includes that could ultimately wind up becoming standard. What is Kusama? KSM is the local cryptographic money of the Kusama organization. It is utilized to pay exchange charges and marking prizes and fills in as guarantee for parachains and popularity-based cooperation. What's more, KSM holders can decide on administration recommendations through an on-chain mandate framework. Kusama is a versatile, interoperable blockchain stage that empowers engineers to fabricate applications. The stage depends on the Polkadot convention and utilizations of proof-of-stake agreement system. Kusama likewise includes on-chain administration, permitting clients to decide on proposition and arrive at conclusions about the eventual fate of the organization. The Kusama network was sent off in 2019 and is presently in its beginning phases of improvement. The group behind the undertaking is centered around building a vigorous biological system of uses and administration. The drawn-out objective is to make a decentralized web that gives clients command over their information and protection. What makes Kusama exceptional? Kusama is intended for engineers who need to send off aggressive tasks with a quick advancing speed of improvement. What makes Kusama novel is its attention on giving engineers the instruments they need to succeed. This incorporates elements, for example, a simple-to-utilize programming language, savvy contract usefulness, and backing for cross-chain collaborations. Likewise, Kusama has areas of strength for fans and engineers who are devoted to helping other people succeed. What recognizes Kusama from other blockchains is its multi-chain, heterogeneously sharded plan. Instead of utilizing the verification of work agreement component, which is energy serious, Kusama utilizes a named confirmation of stake framework. This permits it to be more proficient and adaptable than other blockchains. One of the novel highlights of Kusama is its on-chain upgradability. This implies that the organization can be updated without requiring a hard fork, making it a lot more straightforward to test new highlights and redesigns. Also, Kusama upholds cross-chain message passing, which permits correspondence with other parachains on the organization. This makes it an ideal stage for engineers exploring different avenues regarding Polkadot's different elements. One more benefit of Kusama is that it is controlled by dApps, which are the local money of Polkadot. This gives extra security to clients as specs have been tried on the mainnet. Also, spots give clients admittance to Polkadot's highlights, including marking, casting a ballot, and administration. Generally speaking, Kusama gives a novel open door to designers and early adopters to try different things with Polkadot's different elements in a completely safe climate. Kusama specialized investigation. The Kusama network is a decentralized stage that empowers clients to fabricate and run versatile, strong, and interoperable blockchain applications. It is based on the Polkadot handoff chain innovation and utilizations parachains for adaptability. What's more, it likewise utilizes parachains for versatility. These three parts make Kusama quite possibly of the most impressive stage accessible today. While numerous blockchains battle with issues, for example, adaptability and interoperability, Kusama has been planned starting from the earliest stage to address these difficulties. The undertaking raised more than $140 million, selling 10 million KSM tokens in only a couple of hours. The merchant's buy pattern carried it to $65 toward the finish of 2020. Kusama's fruitful ICO shows a gigantic interest for versatile and interoperable blockchain stages like Kusama Blockchain. With its creative plan, Kusama is strategically set up to turn into the main stage here. The coin was made by the group behind the well-known cryptographic money, Polkadot. The Kusama coin is special in that it offers a way for clients to try out groundbreaking thoughts and ventures on a Polkadot-like organization without stressing over the solidness of the mainnet. The cost of the Kusama coin has seen a critical flood in force starting from the start of this current year. This cost change has made numerous financial backers pay heed to the undertaking and its true capacity. Kusama current cost. Kusama is right now worth $26.77 USD. KSM has moved 0.53% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,543,899. Kusama is right now positioned 114 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $226,759,149 USD. Kusama Value Forecast 2022. Kusama, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The KSM cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $40.16. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $37.48 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progression. KSM is supposed to have a base worth of $32.13. Kusama Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Kusama KSM cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of KSM will before long outperform $66.93. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the KSM's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, KSM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $53.54 and a typical exchanging cost of $58.90. Kusama Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $93.70 and KSM might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. KSM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $85.67 and a low of $80.32 in 2024. Kusama Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Kusama effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the KSM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KSM will be green in 2025. The KSM is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $120.47, with a base cost of $107.09 and a typical cost of $112.44. Kusama Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the KSM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $139.21 by 2026, with a base cost of $133.86 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, KSM has a greatest value worth of $147.24. Kusama Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern